So I think you can do it with the one. That's super easy. You can control it. It'll be a little faster with the LA Diamond.
Okay.
And you know what? I'm looking for MB2s. I'll cut my mesial wall. Then I'm following the isthmus out to the edge, and I'm using my ultrasonic cutting this angle. Once I get in there a millimeter or so, I can't really see downward. It's this way. So then I bring the LA Diamond, and that gives the little tip. It moves back. I peel the part over it, and now I'm looking down on it. A lot of times it's like, it's right there then. A bit of file in there. Yep. So, yeah. Yes.
That guy,
Oh, yes.
I couldn't find an MB2.
You're shallow in this.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so put the LA Diamond not at right angles, at this angle like this. You have a great angle there, I think, your mesial walls. And then put it in the palatal and just cut across, it'll get rid of it.
Little chunk of tooth structure.
This is actually, looks almost like a denticle.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're just gonna, you cut from here to there in a half a second, and then flatten the distal wall off, and whatever is there is gonna be open to your gaze. You're welcome.